Taser should be the last resort. Standing here till justice is brought. For child to see that justice is right.
He was white.
You wouldn't have done it if he was white.
We're here today to say stop police brutality.
We're here today protesting outside of the police headquarters because of what happened to the man who was tasered in front of his child. That was not an isolated event.
We've come here today to basically say we're not standing for this. Black people in this country and black people throughout the world, we're not standing for police brutality.
We're here to stand against the attacks on the black community from the police. The statistics are there, they're more likely to be tasered for the same offence. Way more black people die in custody.
And it's yet another example of the dehumanisation of black people. And we're here to stand today to say enough is enough.
Way more black people are likely to be stopped and searched. This is exactly the reality that a black person faces when they're wandering in the street, going to their car or going with their kid.
It's not just down to one individual who's made a mistake. It's a violent act that just reveals and unveils the systemic racism within the police, and it needs to stop now.
We just want to be treated equally. If that was a white family and a child with them, no way would those officers have tasered. The reason why they tasered because they don't have value black life.
I'm sure the child was screaming. He probably thought his dad was dead because he's probably seen the videos of so many guys that have been shot or killed.
And we're hoping that those two officers are taken off the force for what they did and the trauma that they brought to that child. That child is never going to forget what happened to his father.
This is utterly, utterly wrong, and we won't stop until everybody gets a fair chance in this world and everybody gets an equal right to just walk around in your own country.
You wouldn't have done it if he was white.
You wouldn't have done it if he was white.